My name's Maverick, and I'm going to be opening 3 packs of Furious Fist. And my favorite Pokemon is Rayquaza. You can tell me any letters and hit up my YouTube channel. And let's get into it. You can take the code card, 3 and 2. Okay, we start off with Machop, Golett, Bellsprout, then Minfu, Clauncher, can't read that, Licky, Strong Energy, Grass type Energy, and a Hollow Blaziken. Next pack with Tyrantrum on it. Good thing I didn't knock that down. That was a good start. Have the code card anytime. We start off with Patrat, Slack Off, oh, I can't read that, Eevee, Licky Tongue, Sparkling Robe, I can't read that, Karina, Reavers, Licky Tongue, and a hollow, I can't read that, but that's a hollow. Okay, we're on the last pack of Furious Fist with it would be, let's just get into it. I can't feel any shiny. Okay, we start off with, I can't read that, Slack Off, Poliwag, Licky Tongue, Makahuida, Scrafty, Hitmonchan, Battle Reporter Pikachu, and a Golurk. The last pack of Furious Fist, bad way to start off the video. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.